Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you a delicious curry Amchar mango recipe. This is the way my mother-in-law makes it, so thank you mom for sharing your recipe with us. So let's get straight into the recipe.
So guys, to make this mango, you're going to cut up your mango into pieces and place it in enough water to cover the mango on a medium heat and add in salt. I like adding in salt because it actually adds more flavor to the mango as it's cooking. So we're gonna boil this mango until it gets tender, or if you wanted it firmer, boil it to the consistency you would like. So I'm gonna leave this to boil, and then when it's done I'll show you guys. Okay guys, my mango is right where I want it to be. It's like fork tender but not very soft. It's gonna continue to cook further, so now at this point I'm just gonna drain it. To my pot I'm going in with some chili infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. I want to make this really spicy. If you didn't want to, then you can use the garlic infused or regular oil, but this chili oil really does add a ton of flavor. To my oil, I'm going to go in with a few methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. We just want these seeds to toast in here until they're a light golden color. Okay, now that the seeds are brown, I'm going in with my chopped onions. I'm also going to go in with some hot peppers and pimento peppers chopped. Now we want to cook the onion and the peppers until the onion has a light brown color. Okay, now I'm going to go in with garlic. And we're going to let that saute until the garlic is soft and tender and very fragrant. Do not let the garlic burn. I'm adding in a little bit of oil. Just a little more because we need to fry up our curry, and you don't want to fry it in a dry pot. You at least want to have some oil in there to do that. So once your garlic is nice and tender, go in with your curry powder and turmeric powder, and we're going to toast this on a low heat. Toast it for about a minute. When the curry starts to feel grainy, you'll know that it's finished frying and you need to add some water to help it cook. We're going to cook this down until it turns into a thick paste. Look how it's turning into a thick paste. That's what you want. And when it reaches that consistency, you're going to go in with your green seasoning and mix that in. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our mango, and I'm gonna add some salt to the mango and give this a mix. So just mix well to coat the mango in that curry mixture, and I'm gonna let it fry up in here in that curry mixture for about 5 minutes. Okay, now to this I'm gonna go in with some water because I want to create a sauce for that mango. If you wanted it dry, of course add less water or just don't add any at all. And I'm gonna let this cook down in here, and the mango is going to get a little more tender. That's why I didn't boil it a lot when we initially did that first boil. So I'm just gonna let it sit in here and simmer. Okay, so the next step is adding in our sugar, and I like using brown sugar for this. Some of you, if you're diabetic and you wanted to omit the sugar, of course you can. My mother-in-law makes this without the sugar. And if your mango is a very sour, you'll probably need to add more sugar in there. So add how much sugar you would like. So mix that in. And then now we're going to go in with our Amchar masala powder and geera powder, and we're going to mix this in. Okay, so once you've mixed in all of those ingredients, look how nice and saucy this looks, guys. So delicious. You want to leave this to cook for an additional 8 to 10 minutes. And then we'll taste it and adjust our salt, and then this will be ready. And you see how simple this is to make, and it's very delicious. So guys, this is finished. I just tasted and I adjusted my salt. If you guys wanted the mango to be softer, add more liquid. Make sure it cooks down to the consistency you like. But this is how I want to serve it in pieces. So all I have to do now is dish this out and serve it with some nice hot silky boss-up shot. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for a curry mango achar or amchar. I hope you all enjoyed this mango to curry recipe. Try it, let me know down below if you like it. Comment. Please remember to like and share this video, and a big thank you to CJ Limited from Trinidad for being the sponsor of today's episode. Stay safe guys, and I'll see you in my next video.